Welcome back. If you're starting a business in Utah, one of the first questions you need to answer is this: do I need an LLC or a PLLC? The short answer is it depends on what kind of work you do. If you're running a regular business, an LLC is often the right choice. But if you provide a licensed professional service, you might need a PLLC instead. Here's the simple breakdown. An LLC, or limited liability company, is one of the most important and common business structures in Utah. It gives owners liability protection and flexibility in how the business is managed. Utah also recognizes the LLC as the most popular business entity in the state. A PLLC, or a professional limited liability company, is designed for licensed professionals. In Utah, that includes professionals such as attorneys, accountants, architects, chiropractors, dentists, engineers, physicians, nurses, real estate agents, psychologists, therapists, and other licensed occupations. Think about Doppel. So what's the difference? Well, the main difference is not really the liability protection because both structures can offer that. The real difference is who is allowed to use the entity. If your business is not a licensed professional service, an LLC is usually the cleaner and more flexible choice. If your business requires a professional license to operate, a PLLC may be required for you under Utah law. For example, if you're opening a marketing company, a cleaning company, construction company, or a consulting firm, an LLC may be simply enough. But if you're forming a law practice, a medical practice, an accounting firm, architectural firm, you're going to look closely at whether a PLLC is required for you. One important point: don't assume that because you are a professional, you automatically need a PLLC in every situation, because you don't. The rules can vary depending on the profession and the state requirements. So it's smart to confirm before filing as to what you actually need. Another practical issue is ownership. PLLCs are generally restricted to licensed professionals in the same field, so they are not meant to mix businesses or unrelated owners. That makes the structure more specialized than a standard LLC. Look, if you're unsure which entity fits your situation, the safest move is to get legal guidance before you file. Choosing the wrong structure can create some problems for you later with compliance, licensing, and business registration. So if you want help deciding between an LLC or a PLLC in Utah, you can give me a call. I'm attorney Jeremy Eveland. I'm a Utah business attorney, and I can look at your specific profession, your goals, and we can decide what the right structure is for you so we can save you time, money, and headaches down the road. Again, my name is attorney Jeremy Eveland. My telephone number 801-613-1472. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you'd like to get a hold of me, give me a call, and hopefully we can work together if we're a good